Man. The water's coming right up to the sidewalk. Water's coming right up to the sidewalk, man. That's crazy. Water's coming right up to the sidewalk. Got the water there too? Jeez. Must be hot, extra high tide or something. I guess during king tide, this whole sidewalk is covered. It looks like the water comes up to there. People want to put their homes here, their expensive homes. Woo!
Total distance 30 miles. Total time 2 hours 45 minutes and 31 seconds. Time of day 6 o'clock. Split speed 9.8 miles per hour.
I think I'm gonna go up to 580. Go up to 580. This is 580 here. I'm gonna go up to the Pinellas trail that way, this way, to get some extra miles. I don't know what the distance is to Pinellas Trail from here. What the hell's on the wall here? Holy. They don't even block this off. I expect people to come down this way. Dang, man. Look at this. They actually have a ramp over there for somebody put a ramp there to go up on a bike or whatever. I'm not going to go across that. So I'm on the 580 bridge on the south side of it at the approach. My bright ideas every time I come up with an idea, something goes wrong today. Looks like the water came all the way up here. Look, it's even washed out on the right here. That's crazy, man, crazy. Yeah, all the time in the world to cross here, man. Just wait. Wait. I don't think I'll make that. Could be kind of iffy. I can wait till there's a good clearing and then go. $3.29 for gas. In Texas, it's like $1.29. A lot of cars here, man. There's 2 cars in my way. I'm never gonna get across. I think after this batch of cars, that'll be a good break for me to get across. me at the right time, man. I can't believe that the bridge is all, that side is all corroded off, eroded. We're 31 miles here now, 31.05. There's just nowhere to ride anymore. Everything's screwed up now. Yeah, all the water damage came and did the damage going north. Got a nice breeze on my right here. Boom. 3150 here, 3150. Plus 67. I can't believe that erosion on the other side, man. That's crazy.